Hey guys, welcome back. Here's a tin of mackerels. I'm going to make a Fai'ai Elegi with those coconut cream. And bit of coconut cream on this yam. Got those yams from the island shop, Norm shop. It's frozen, so I'm going to cook it, boil it. And here's some beef, Thai beef. I'm going to cook taro leaf with it. With what do you call it, in a pot. Fiji style taro leaves. Here's our lamb. I'm going to just put that in sauce in the oven. And I'm going to go and get some taro leaves now out from outside. Hey guys, here's our onions. So 4 onions in there, cutting up small. And I've got my tin of fish open. I'm making our Fai'ai Elegi. See the tin of mackerel? Just add it in there. Turn it down. Tin of mackerel. I've got 4 tin. Then I got 1 tin of what do you call it? A tomato one. Okay. I'm gonna do is add a coconut cream. This is our Fai'ai Elegi, guys. Got a lot of onion, a lot of fish, and a lot of coconut cream. And I'm going to cook this in the oven until the oil is coming out of the coconut cream. Okay. Half of this, because I need a little bit for my yam. It's a lot of coconut cream. Fork and mix it. Breaking up the fish. I took the juice out of tin of mackerel and I keep the juice of the tomato one. Just mix it well. Easy and simple. It's easy and simple but yummy. Just mix it in there. Be careful with salt because it's gonna go down to really small, the juice, so you just be careful how much salt you add. You always add more. Because here's our tray, oven tray. Give it another rinse. Yeah. Get our Fai'ai in there. Perfect. How did I know it's going to be a perfect size of tray? Because I use my brain. Oh. And then, anyway, you can mix it fairly. Put our fish. It's up to you if you leave it whole, but I like it, break it up in pieces. Yeah, so Fai'ai Elegi. Remember that Elegi's got salt in too, so I say be careful with salt. Okay, hot spice, just a little bit on top, just enough to give it a hotty flavor. Okay, now put this in the oven on a high heat until the coconut is going down and turn into like a nearly oil. When you see the oil coming out of the coconut cream, yeah, that's when you know it's Pop is your uncle. Okay guys, let's put this in the oven. Guys, welcome back. I've got 4 onions, cut it up, lemongrass, squash and cut it up, whole garlic cloves, and ginger grind up over there. This is for our lamb. Okay, first I add a bit of fish sauce, just for tasty. It's not going to make our food taste like fish, it's a lot of people say. Okay, a bit of soy sauce. That's all we're going to add on our lamb and put it in the oven to bake. Okay, put your hand in there and mix it. If you want to squash the onion up, you can. Okay, here's our lamb, guys. I already washed it and garlic, just the lines between the bones. Every 2 bones, a bit of lemongrass is left. And there. Easy and simple. And that lamb's gonna come out beautiful. Okay. You could do it with a bigger tray, but I've got a small oven. Now they get what I can cook in there. Yeah, put them in between. Yeah. It's gonna be yummy, guys. Don't be too nice with it, just mix it all up. Get a bit of sauce runny on the other lamb. Hey guys, welcome back. This chuck steaks is for rum steak. I'm gonna make taro leaves. It's I got it from the Fijian recipe. They use lamb. I'm using beef because I put a lamb in the oven. I'm gonna just marinate it. Just a ginger here and garlic. Marinate it and fry it off later. A little bit of salt, and that's all we need. We're gonna fry this off later and add it into our wow, I don't know what a feature. I forgot what a feature is called. Yeah, that's all you needed in here. You can add a bit of oil if you need, but in this moment I don't. Okay, that's it. Just leave it aside or put it back in the fridge until you're ready to cook it. Guys, our yam is cooked. Now we've got to add a coconut cream. Yeah, let it boil. Let it cook. Let it boil and then put a lid on and let it boil and then take the lid out to thicken it up. Welcome back, guys. Here's going to add a bit of oil in our pot to fry off our steaks. I add a little bit of onion. Pot is too hot. But what they do in Fiji, they fry the onion until it's really brown, like it's yeah. I never had it before, but I've seen it and I'm gonna try it twice. I want to bring the sweetness out of that onion. So guys, this is my neighbors doing their lawn again on Sunday. Some people never learn. Okay, we wanted to brown that onion off. We need the flavor of that onion. It's almost burned. Smells beautiful, but okay. I'm adding our beef. We don't have to put it really dry, and we're only flavoring it up our beef before we're adding in our taro leaves. That beef's already got marinated on it, just ginger and garlic. Instead, guys, we're going to cook this up until all the water's come out of beef, and we're just frying it off. Okay, be back in a minute. Guys, welcome back. I've got the lid of water in here. And I add 1 cut up onions and small onions. Okay, this is what our taro leaves. Okay, a drop of oil in there. It's a little bit, guys. Bit of salt. Remember this, I'm doing the first time, this is the first time I do this, the taro leaf this way. The luau, the parisame. And it's on a Fijian way. It's something that I got off the internet. Okay, I don't cut the leaves up, I just put it in there. And they'll cook off. Okay, they'll shrink down with the whole leaves in there. I'm sure you can cut it if you want it, but this is how they did it. Look, I'm just following the recipe. You gotta remember these sour leaves shrink down, guys. Stove up high. Yeah, then we cook our taro leaves off until it's half cooked. Then we add our meat back in our beef. Hey guys, I've got a lot of leaves here to add because it keeps shrinking down and just pushing it down the water. Guys, yeah, all our taro leaves going in there now. Nice and green. That's what I was loving about that when I saw that video. That cooking from Fiji, and one of the Fijian family restaurant in Fiji, and everybody loves it. So I'm thinking, oh well, that looks interesting. So let's try it. Hey guys, here's our Fai'ai Elegi. Still cooking, and there's our lamb up there. It's cooking nicely. Yeah, let's keep on cooking. The Fai'ai Elegi is nearly ready. I'm just waiting for all that water to disappear. Hey guys, welcome back. Our taro leaf is half cooked now. So it's time to add our meat, our beef that we fried. All that liquid, that yummy stuff. Like I say, this is a Fijian style of Luau Ulo. Just mix it in and keep cooking it because our beef is not cooked. So by the time the taro leaf is really cooked, yeah, our corned beef will be cooked too. Not corned beef, beef steak. Okay, let's keep cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Our Sunday lunch is ready. There's our lamb. It's been cooking nice. Soy sauce, onion, ginger, garlic, yeah, and lemongrass, soy sauce. And here's our beautiful Fai'ai. Look, all the water's gone, and the coconut's turning oil, and it's brown and beautiful on top. Our Fai'ai Elegi, and there's our Faalifu Ufi. All done well. And here's our Fijian style taro leaves. You know, in a pot, or the ulo you call. Yeah. I think I used the beef, but I think I should use the lamb. But I've got the lamb already, so. Okay, let's serve some food and let's enjoy our Sunday lunch. That lamb smells so good. It's cooking really well. A lot of garlic and onions in there, lemongrass. Alright guys, let's eat. Can't wait to get to that. Okay, Sunday lunch is done. And guys, yeah, it's time to eat. There's our lamb. And there's our ufi. And there's our taro leaves with beef. And there's our Fai'ai Oh, Fai'ai Elegi. Yum, let's eat. A minute. Hey, hallelujah. Hey guys, I'm gonna just taste the food for you. And here's our yam. Hey Grace already eating. Here's our Fai'ai Elegi. Some of my lamb. Have to use our hands. Oh, yummy. It tastes everything. That lemongrass and now garlic, ginger. Yummy, guys. Oh, shout out to the brother that we saw at Noam's place, riding a motorbike. Yeah, that's the food I gave me to buy. Here's our beef salads. The Fijian style. You can see why Fiji is used to lamb. Because the lamb's got more flavor. A bit of nice fat in it, and mixed with the salads, but I'm using the beef. Oh, yum. That's very delicious. Some of our lamb. Let's rip it off. And this yam, I buy it frozen from Noam's shop.
My phone will turn off though.
What do you do with it?
Nothing. I just turned it on and then it's like this.
Well, you gotta turn the whole thing off and turn it back on.
Power off.
Lamb?
Turn it back on.
Is the door shut, Grace? Huh? Is the door shut? I think I see a fly. Then Fai'ai Elegi, the fish. What are you doing?
Okay.
You finish your food?
Oh yeah, but I fixed my fan.
You turn it off.
No, it turned on and then it just went on to mode settings. You know when it says white memory, do this, do that. Well,
Yeah, lamb, guys.
speaking.
Beautiful.
Sorry.
So delicious. Gotta cut a steak smaller. Delicious, guys. I wasn't hungry, but now I am. Fai'ai Elegi. Mix it up and put it in the oven and just leave it until you realize it's going right down the coconut is no more water in it, and the oil start browning on top of it. Mm. 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 Yummy guys. Mm. Got air conditioning because it's too hot. Wish I was using the stove. And I'm happy. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for your thumb up, your comments, and your views. And much love to you and your family, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you and your family are blessed and having fun and safe. Love you all. Goodbye. Bye, Grace.